Hi, I'm Carmel Debadine. I believe food shouldn't just taste good, but it should look awesome as well. Join me as I bring my kitchen to yours. This is the DB Kitchen. Welcome to the DB Kitchen. I'm Carmel Debadine and today we are making green eggs and chook. Now this is a favourite in my household and it developed because of my husband, who is an Italian man who we just discovered is allergic to tomatoes. Go figure. I decided to go for a green eggs instead of a red eggs, and so we're going with a spinach and artichoke base instead, which is delicious, nutritious. You still get that same homey vibe, and we're adding in a little bit of chickpeas and some chicken as well for a little extra yumminess. We're going to finely chop our onion and garlic. With the artichokes, it's so the flavour and the texture is also lovely, so we're going to do a really rough chop, trying to actually get lots of different shapes and sizes. So we're going to fry up the onions and the garlic. We're just going to cook these until they're translucent. We don't want to get too much colour on them. Add the artichokes. The artichokes and their oil are essentially what is going to form the base of the sauce for us today. We're going to add a little bit of stock, and we want to reduce these artichokes down. Okay, now we're going to add in our spinach. You just need a rough chop, nothing too precise. You want a little bit of body to it. As we're getting a nice cook down on all the vegetables, we don't want to go too far because we still want some texture in there. We're just going to season quite liberally with the salt and the pepper. So we're going to add them now. This is about half a can. Once we're happy and we've got a nice solid base, we're just going to create 4 little gaps. Gently pour your eggs into the little gap, one by one. We're going to turn the heat down slightly. After your 4-minute timer is up, lift the lid carefully so that you don't drop the steam on top. To ensure that we don't cook the egg yolks, because we really like them to be a bit like a poached egg, we're just going to take this straight off the heat. Now this dish is super colourful anyway, but we really want to highlight that beautiful green colour from the spinach. So we're going to grab a few ready chopped spring onions, lemon, and a zester, and just gently over the top. Can you see that gorgeous yellow? That's going to look amazing on your Instagram shot. For the full recipe, please go to my website, thedbkitchen.com, and check out our Instagram page @thedbkitchen. For more delicious recipes and styling tips, please subscribe to this channel.